Alright, doggo. How you doing, eh? How you doing, buddy? Fog and drizzle have drawn in. I thought it wasn't meant to rain today. Those weather people can never get things right. I want to talk about something kind of relating to this location, actually. Over there, at least. So, a dating thing. In dating, it is bad behaviour for one of the partners. Should we, like, define it via sex? I think it's better defined via sex. What is this giant glass house? Weird modern art city installation. Alright, sex specific. Because I think it's more of a woman thing than a man thing, especially with the way feminism and social media and things like hypergamy, which I believe is dating people because they're rich, that sort of thing, dating people based on shallow things like how much money they have. All this stuff has corrupted the minds of women, and we're living in the result of that right now, which is fucked. Anyway, it's kind of stuck-up behaviour for women on a date to expect to be treated like princesses and have everything bought for them and be showered in gifts, which is kind of simp behaviour. To be given money, to be paid for, to be brought to like upper class places, shall we say, not nice places, because you can bring someone to a nice place and it doesn't have to be like the playground of the elites. Like, for you to go out on a date with a girl and then she's expecting you to take her on a rich yacht or to a very expensive restaurant, a very expensive place, maybe a place that is very touristy, very city person oriented, very stale, and like everyone goes there, particularly people with money go there, that sort of thing. A place where they can take photos of themselves over and over again for Instagram, take photos of themselves for vanity purposes, posing with a pretty object. Like, it's not good behaviour to expect ridiculous treatment based on the male paying massive amounts of money for them and then basically being parasitic and leeching off him. It's very communistic in that sense. You know, they want to be taken out for a date, they want the guy to pay for them, so they get everything for free and they get to just swan around being this, I don't know, this pretty flower to be looked at by everyone, and particularly by themselves and their Instagram or TikTok fans, that sort of thing. Even slightly toward that behaviour, like maybe you're not even going the full way towards that behaviour. Let's say you just you get taken out on a date by a guy and he takes you somewhere you're not expecting, which is not like popular or mass accepted, or, you know, it's offbeat, it's somewhere that doesn't have any big landmarks that you can take photos of yourself with, or it's not about your vanity, it's not about his money, it's not about any of that. Like, he wants to get to know you, he wants to talk to you, he wants to have maybe an adventure with you where you do go places, but it's not about, it's about you and him together. It's about love, you know, it's about building love from scratch, I guess. That's what it should be. I think that's what an ideal date should be between a man and a woman. It's not based on vanity, it's not based on money, and if you get taken to somewhere offbeat that's a little weird, who cares? It's about just being in a new place that's slightly different and getting to know each other, or enjoying each other's time. Like, the person is the goal and not all those other things I mentioned. Yeah, that's like good behaviour. Thank you for watching.